Hey, how's it going everyone? Chris Helenas here at the Grand Moon Palace in Cancun, Mexico. Time for the room tour. Here we have restroom number 1. Let's take a walk over to the dining area. Very, very nice. Our welcoming chocolate dipped strawberries, fruit and champagne. Wow. Let's take a walk over here. Hey guys, I'm back. Told you guys I'd be back. Check it out. We have a coffee maker for those of you that like your morning coffee. We have a mini bar that they refill every day. Here we have our bottles of liquor. And on the other side, we have cups, mugs for coffee. And underneath that, we have a microwave. Let's go take a walk over to the living room area. Very, very nice room. Very comfortable looking living room. I will mention this is the presidential suite. A very nice welcoming sign on the TV. Let's go check out the bedroom, guys. Wow. Beautiful room. Big bed, it looks so comfortable. Here we have another TV where you can order room service. You just click on it and it brings up a whole menu. Bottle of wine. A nice sized jacuzzi. Oh my God, I can't wait to just jump in that one. Let's take a look outside at the balcony. The balcony is very, very big. Could probably have a little mini party out here. Let's go take a look at the view. Wow, so nice. You could just walk down and take a dip into the swimming pool. Well, let's go check out the other restroom, the closet. Beautiful room, beautiful. Impeccable. All right, restroom number 2, his and her sink. Nice size closet, you could walk-in closet. See, the lights turn on, robes. You have a safe. You even have a scale if you need to take your weight, keep track. Here's the shower. Nice size shower. Nice shower head. Complimentary shampoo, conditioner, soaps. And another toilet area. Wow. Fantastic. I'm blown away. This exceeded my expectations, guys. Well, I hope everyone likes the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We're off to do some wining and dining. We're very hungry, so signing out, people.